I gained over 6,000 subscribers within the space of 3 weeks, and this was how I was able to achieve it. Yes, I know a lot of you have been asking me, Princess Chamaka, how have you been able to get all these subscribers? Somebody even went to as far as saying I actually promote my channel to get this amount of subscribers rushing down on my channel, and these things fall to just two simple things which I started doing on my channel to achieve this beautiful result. So in today's video, I'm going to be leaking out the secrets for you guys, and believe me when I say, if you can be able to pay attention and hop on to these particular two things, guys, you're going to achieve much more better results. So first thing first, like the very first thing that actually helped me achieve this beautiful result is, you all remember last week of November 2024, there was this particular challenge that a lot of creators out here we're talking about, which is the vlogmas challenge, which simply means that you are supposed to upload every single day in the month of December in order for you to get high revenue, high visibility, and also high amount of watch hour. And before I even embarked on this single challenge, I was on 8,000 subscribers, yes, as at of last week of November, and I was still on 2,000 watch hours. So, and you all know that by 15th of December I got monetized. So what I am going to be sharing with you right now are basically what I did to achieve this beautiful result. That is, I achieved 6,000 subscribers, over 4,000 watch hours. So what I did was, 28th of November 2024, I brought out my jotter and I decided to write down every single content which I'm going to be uploading in the month of December. Now here is where the trick and the secret lies. So the first thing I did was to go on to YouTube search bar. I started searching for videos people are actually searching for in my niche, that is videos that are trending. I even went to as far as making use of my ChatGPT, Meta AI, in order for me to get ideas back to back. And what I did under my jotter was, as of on the 28th of November, I was able to come up with over 15 video titles which I'm going to be making. See, no matter any niche at all you are, you can be able to achieve this same results. I've watched a lot of people from different niche saying this particular thing, so it's not just based on my own niche, because of it's a growth niche. If you can be able to calm down, go to your YouTube Studio desktop version, that your inspiration tab, or make use of ChatGPT, you will see a lot of trending video ideas that you can make to achieve massive results on your channel. So once I was able to achieve all these things, the next thing I did was, starting from on the 1st of December, I started uploading videos here on YouTube. And another thing that I did was, I kept to a particular time. That is, I posted from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. every single day. And one of the things that actually helped me a whole lot was, I said to myself, this is a particular challenge that I am going to be embarking on for my channel to take a U-turn. So whether I'm going to be getting low views, I'm not going to give up, or high views, I will still give up. What I know is that from 1st of December till 31st of December, I'm going to upload every single day for me to achieve this result that a lot of YouTubers out there have been talking about. So that was how I was able to start that challenge, and I was being consistent. At sometimes I might see stuff trending in my niche, like there was a particular time that this particular video was trending all over. So what I did was to include it in my content calendar, and lo and behold, before I was able to run this challenge for 2 weeks plus, I got 3 viral videos. Like, these videos gave me over 50k views even before the last week of December. So what am I trying to say? It's not always by picking up your phone to say, I must upload every single day, and any single video you see on your gallery, you just go ahead and upload it. I put in a lot of work. I made a lot of research. Like, I made use of Google, Meta, and ChatGPT, they were literally my best friend that period. That I was searching for content back to back. And mind you, I told you guys that I removed that mindset of whether it will have view or not. Yes, some of the videos I did were less than 1,000 views. Some were above 1,000 views. And as you all can see, 3 video from this single challenge went viral. So if you are out there, you can actually do this particular thing, yes, for you to get that visibility. A lot of YouTubers have tried this particular thing and they got high visibility. That was why I said to myself, I'm going to give it a try to see if it will work. So all you just need to do is to get a jotter, like a content book, and write out content ideas and work on it. Keep to one particular time. If it is in the evening, study the time that, by this time of the day people are supposed to be home, and post with that time. Don't always focus on your YouTube Studio desktop version, that time graph there, because sometimes it might work against you. Yeah, this is how YouTube is. So just try to find out what is working perfectly for you and stick to it. So this is the first thing I did. Now the second thing, which actually helped me a whole lot, was generating ideas from Meta AI and ChatGPT, even with the inspiration tab. But the one that I know that I made use of very, very well was the Meta AI and ChatGPT. And if you were to ask me how was I able to do this, now for a single day, if I am to upload, let's say I am to upload a video on how to create thumbnail on this particular day. Let us assume that today's date is 13th of December and I'm to upload a video on that topic. So what I do now is to go ahead to Meta AI and ask Meta for ideas. Like I'll just be like, okay Meta, I want to make a video on this particular topic, so I need SEO titles, SEO description, and thumbnails idea. So the work of Meta AI now is to bring out ideas for you, a lot of ideas. In fact, Meta AI is even going to help you with the script itself. So all you just need to do is that if you don't really have the idea of that video, just go ahead and memorize it and come up here and share. It's as simple as this. Then if you know that Meta AI might not give you all the results you want, also go ahead to ChatGPT. But from my own side, I made use of Meta AI very, very back then. But recently, I am currently making use of ChatGPT. See, you cannot know it all. These AI tools are there to help you on your content creation journey. This particular challenge I did, some of my subscribers are recently doing it, and the results I'm seeing are mind-blowing. So take it upon yourself to give this particular challenge a chance and see your channel in the next level. So from the first week of December that I started this challenge, before 15th of December I got monetized. This was the video and the celebration and all of them. So despite after getting monetized, I didn't give up because I am on a particular challenge and I was determined to do it till the last day. So this particular challenge elevated my channel. I never knew that this simple challenge could actually bring me to this position where I am. Like as I said earlier on, before embarking on this challenge, I was on 2,000 watch hour. So this single challenge gave me my remaining 2,000 watch hours to get monetized. I got monetized, and before December 31st, I was able to make over $500. So have you seen that this single challenge elevated my channel? And it was not all by just simply uploading videos, because I have videos to upload. I calm down, I follow trends, videos that are trending on my niche. I make sure I hop on them, because following trend has elevated a lot of channels here on YouTube. Don't always depend on the knowledge you have within. Sometimes try to hop on something trending in your niche. This video was from a single trend. This other video was from a single trend, and you can see the amount of views these videos accumulated to my channel. So guys, believe me when I say, if you are able to embark on this single challenge, your channel is going to skyrocket, your channel is going to take a U-turn. So this was how I was able to achieve this beautiful result and this amount of watch hours even before finishing this particular challenge. And I am currently on February on. So if you watched to this extent, you can drop it in the comments section that you want to follow me and do this February challenge. As you all know, first week of March I will come back to give you guys the review with the amount of revenue I was able to achieve, because right now I am monetized, so I will always give you guys my revenue update. So if you've watched to this extent, drop it in the comment section and let's do this together. I might as well subscribe to your channel and see you through on this journey, because why not? I want the growth of each and every one of us, each and every one of you on this YouTube street. So let this be like an encouragement to you out there. You can also give this a try. Yes, uploading frequently, being consistency here on YouTube pays a lot, and my channel is a testimony to that. So your own channel can be a testimony to this particular thing also. So guys, this video is getting too long than I had expected, so we're going to be ending it here and join the curtain here. If you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Once again, like this video if you have not liked it, and do not forget to share so that this good news can get a lot of small YouTubers out there. So go down to the comment section and drop me your thoughts. What do you think about this whole challenge of a thing? And if you have tried it before and it's not working for you, or it didn't work out for you, drop it in the comment section, because I might as well give you tips to apply, and who knows, your channel is going to blow up. So bye bye guys, and see you all in my next video.